Hey animal lovers! Ready for an exciting challenge? We're comparing some of the most incredible creatures in the wild who's faster, stronger, or more social. Let's see how much you know. If you're loving the adventure, don't forget to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's start. The first is, which has more powerful wings? Eagle or falcon? You're doing well. Great guess. Eagle. Which can run faster? Cheetah or gazelle? You're on fire. Right again. Cheetah. Which animal can squeeze through tiny spaces? Octopus or crab? Fantastic progress. That's correct. Octopus. Which is larger? Whale or shark? You've got it. Got it. Whale. Which has a stronger shell? Tortoise or turtle? Keep up the pace. Exactly. Tortoise. Which has a longer lifespan? Tortoise or whale? So good so far. You're right again. Tortoise. Which has sharper claws? Eagle or owl? You're a pro. Spot on answer. Eagle. Which is louder? Elephant or tiger? Way to go. Absolutely correct. Elephant. Which can live in water and on land? Frog or snake? You're smashing it. Right every time. Frog. Which has more legs? Octopus or crab? Great momentum. You've aced it. Octopus. Which is stronger? Gorilla or tiger? Keep rocking. Well guessed. Tiger. Which is faster? Horse or zebra? You're doing great. Yes, that's right. Horse. Which can see better at night? Cat or owl? Keep going strong. You nailed it. Owl. Which is larger? Elephant or hippo? Awesome effort. Spot on. Elephant. Which can jump higher? Frog or kangaroo? Great job. Correct answer. Kangaroo. Which is smarter? Dolphin or dog? Fantastic work. Bang on. Dolphin. Which can fly higher? Eagle or falcon? Impressive effort. You've got it. Eagle. Which lives longer? Parrot or penguin? You've got this. Exactly right. Parrot. Which is larger? Shark or dolphin? Keep it up. That's the one. Shark. Which is more dangerous? Lion or shark? You're amazing. Yes, correct. Shark, which can carry more weight. Elephant or camel. So far, so good. Absolutely right. Elephant, which is more agile. Cheetah or leopard. You're on track. Spot on guess. Cheetah, which has a stronger bite. Alligator or crocodile. Doing awesome. Perfect. Crocodile, which is more intelligent. Chimpanzee or dog. Keep the energy up. Yes, that's it. Chimpanzee, which can run faster. Horse or wolf. You're nailing this. Right you are. Horse, which is better at climbing. Monkey or bear. Excellent progress. Well done. Monkey, which swims faster. Seal or penguin. You're killing it. You've cracked it. Seal, which is larger. Whale or elephant. What a great run. Bingo. Whale, which is stronger. Rhinoceros or buffalo. Keep crushing it. Right on target. Rhinoceros, which has better eyesight. Hawk or eagle. You're unstoppable. You're spot on. Hawk, which is heavier. Elephant or whale. You're doing well. Great guess. Whale, which is faster. Fox or rabbit. You're on fire. Right again. Fox, which can dive deeper. Shark or whale. Fantastic progress. That's correct. Whale, which has sharper claws. Eagle or falcon. You've got it. Got it. Eagle, which is more aggressive. Leopard or lion. Keep up the pace. Exactly. Lion, which is better at jumping. Rabbit or kangaroo. So good so far. You're right again. Kangaroo, which is more social. Dolphin or whale. You're a pro. Spot on answer. Dolphin, which has longer legs. Ostrich or flamingo. Way to go. Absolutely correct. Ostrich, which has stronger wings. Eagle or owl. You're smashing it. Right every time. Eagle, which can swim faster. Seal or otter. Great momentum. You've aced it. Seal, which has a longer tail. Cat or dog. Keep rocking. Well guessed. Cat, which is better at hunting. Lion or wolf. You're doing great. Correct answer. Lion. Which can change color? Octopus. Or chameleon? Keep going strong. Yes, that's right. Octopus. Which can live longer? Elephant. Or giraffe? Awesome effort. You nailed it. Elephant. Which can jump higher? Deer. Or rabbit? Great job. Spot on. Deer. Which is smarter? Crow. Or owl? Fantastic work. Correct answer. Crow. Which is stronger? Wolf. Or bear? Impressive effort. Bang on. Bear. Which can fly faster? Hawk. Or falcon? You've got this. You've got it. Falcon. Which is more venomous? Scorpion. Or spider? Keep it up. Exactly right. Scorpion. Which is larger? Whale. Or seal? You're amazing. That's the one. Whale. Which is faster? Ostrich. Or horse? So far, so good. Yes, correct. Ostrich.